Hi everyone, I'm Stacy Ackerman. Today I'm going to talk to you about Kanban and how marketers are getting on board with this as a way to improve efficiency in their process. Kanban started in the manufacturing world with Toyota, and it became a huge success as they were able to improve productivity in the car production industry. It then became popularized in software, and today is being used by marketers, human resource companies, and even just people to do things like plan their wedding and their move, manage their kids and their household. I use Kanban all the time in the home, and I love it. The first thing that you'll learn about Kanban is how to visualize your work. By visualizing your work, you can easily see everything that has to happen. When you do this as a team, everyone's work goes on the same board, and you can see all the time where things are at. It sounds simple, but just a simple tactic has helped a lot of marketers I know realize that they probably overpromised too much work than is feasible to get done. Kanban also teaches you to limit your work in progress. This is so important because oftentimes we just start a whole bunch of tasks, but we don't really get them done. And if they don't get all the way to done, we're really not providing any value. There's absolutely no value in work that started. We want to get it out the door to our customers. Teams are self-empowered to determine their own WIP limits, or work in progress, that is most effective and efficient for their department. The third thing is managing flow. Kanban helps us manage flow, how work flows through our system or our process. We can easily see with this where the bottlenecks are happening. Perhaps legal sign-offs are holding up your work from getting out the door. Or maybe you're always relying on that software developer. And maybe if you just brought them to your team, you would not be stuck here. I hope you learned a little bit about Kanban today and how it can help you in marketing. If you'd like to learn even more, visit my website at agilefittraining.com.